Hi everyone, welcome to SkyDev Cafe. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ctrl+Click issue in VS Code after installing GitHub Copilot. You can see, when I press Ctrl+Enter, it's loading GitHub Copilot.
Yeah, normally we can go to next line when pressing Ctrl+Enter. Let's fix the problem. Follow my steps.
Go to GitHub Copilot VS Code extension. Then click the settings icon. Then click Keyboard Shortcuts. Now you can see Ctrl+Enter. Click pencil icon and add any 3 or 4 keys to it. Then press Enter. Now check it work or not.
See, it works. When I press Ctrl+Enter, go to New Line.
Please subscribe us for future content. Thank you.